And guys, lab exercise 2, pretty simple, and where we talk, most of your stuff that's gonna come back from a feed sample is gonna come back on a dry matter basis. And what that equates to is that there's 0 water in it. And so it has 0% water, so it's strictly on a dry basis. And we talked that our ryegrass was a 20% dry matter. Hay was a 90% dry matter, which meant that ryegrass was 80% water. And so it comes back on the level that none of that water's in it. Problem is, for us as a nutritionist, we have to put it on an as-fed basis. And by putting it and converting it back to an as-fed basis, that's the way that the animal's going to consume it. So we'd end up with them consuming an awful lot of this ryegrass, and quite a bit of it's gonna be water weight. On the flip side, for the hay, pretty much they're gonna be close to whatever they consume. What they consume is gonna be what they get out of it. And so it's really easy. We go back to a couple of those problems, but right here we've got our 30% crude protein, 91% dry matter. And so all we're doing, guys, is we multiply by the dry matter percent. So this right here is the crude protein on a dry matter basis times the percent dry matter as a decimal. And we do that as a decimal so that our end number, only 7.3% crude protein on an as-fed basis. Now that number always is going to be smaller. The as-fed number is than the actual one, because we've added that 9% water. So this is 91% dry matter, 9% water back in. So when we add that 9% back in, that right there drops our number. So complete the problem here. We got a TDN value that is 99%. Multiply by our same dry matter. Likewise, we'll take our crude fiber at an 8, multiply by our same dry matter.